YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave. I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son. Right now, I'm gonna show y'all how I lost $3,000 today, trading US 30. Before we actually get into this, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really upset, son. I'm actually really upset, and I'm gonna pretty much explain why. And like, as far as like what happened is like why I lost the money or whatever. But before that, like I said, if you're not subscribed, definitely click subscribe. If you want to get our free course, the link is down below in the comments. Or if you want to use the bot for free, the Wave Trader, you can use it for 3 days. And if you like it, then you can get the full version inside of our university. The link to both of those are in the bio. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it. All right, so first things first, man. Y'all know we like to trade US 30. This all happened on TikTok live as well. And yeah, man, I don't even want to make this video too long because this is just, I'm just blown just looking at the market right now. I'm blown thinking about it. I'm just blown all together. All right, so starting off, we're going to start off on the daily time frame. And just based off of what we see, I was telling everybody that I was expecting the market to be bullish, you know, based off of the daily. And when I make these predictions off of the daily time frame, that's not saying that it's gonna happen right now. That's more of like the overall, what's gonna happen like by the end of the day. You know, so even if we talk about yesterday, if you watch yesterday's video, the price was all the way down here at the time of like when I was live and I was saying like, yeah, I think it's gonna be bullish. And you can see that yesterday did close bullish. You know, so when I give a direction based off of that time frame, that's kind of I'm basing it when I give a direction off of the daily time frame, I'm basing it based off of the daily close. Okay, so yeah, man, definitely was feeling like this was gonna be bullish. At the time of the live, it had already broke out, it had already took this level of liquidity, and I was telling everybody that if this is gonna truly be bullish, I would expect it to be aiming for this right here because this is a gap that has never been or that hasn't been filled yet. So I mean, I still feel like if it is gonna go up, it will come up all the way up here. Now, one thing I will say is that although it is technically going up, you see how small these candles are. Like, you see how small and how long it's taking it to go up like this. You feel me? I would expect it's a big move is about to happen somewhere somehow. It's probably gonna happen on Friday because non-farm payroll. Is non-farm payroll tomorrow? That would actually make a lot of sense. Like, a big move is definitely about to happen, in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, based off of the daily time frame, I was definitely bullish. Go to the 4-hour time frame, same thing. I was bullish as well. Said this on live. Told everybody like, yeah, I mean, it's clearly going up. So on the 4-hour time frame, I would expect it to continue to go up. This candle was around here at the time of me going live, and I was still, you know, still saying like, yeah, I would expect it to keep going up. And then we go down to the 1-hour time frame. And based off of the 1-hour time frame, I was actually bearish. Okay, so I was actually telling everybody that I was expecting price to actually drop based off of market open. I was expecting it to drop at 9:30. And I'm going to explain why I was expecting that. One main reason why I was expecting it to drop is just based off of the hour time frame. It looked like it was going down to me based off of, you know, the way I look at the market. But then we go to the 5-minute time frame. This is pretty much when I was live. This is where the market was when I was live. So we had this double bottom right here. Feel me? And whenever you see double highs or double bottoms, double tops or double bottoms, like that's usually like an area of liquidity. That's where the market is more than likely going to be drawn to. This right here is also yesterday's high. And I actually said this as well as far as like, yeah, man, you know, yesterday's high and yesterday's low are like the most pivotal points on a price chart. Price usually when it breaks out of it, it'll usually come back down to retest it. And that's exactly what happened. But I take my trades at 9:30. And like I said, I was bearish. I drew this on here. I told everybody in the chat it's not financial advice. You know, this is just what I'm gonna do. And then also we have the wave trader as well. And I never know what the wave trader is gonna do until the very last second. So I didn't know if the wave trader was gonna buy it or sell it. I don't like when me and a wave trader are on two different pages, man. I feel like I said this in one of the previous videos. I don't like when I think it's going down, but then the wave trader think it's going up, or vice versa. Like days like that, those are days when it's I don't like it's a toss up. I don't know who gonna win, you know. But the days where I think it's gonna go up and then a wave trader takes a buy as well, or I think it's gonna go down and the wave trader takes a sell, those be the days where it hit. You feel me? Those be the days where we really be making bread. And like I said, I don't really know what the wave trader is gonna do to the very last second, but yeah. So at 9:30, I got into a sell. So this account that I'm showing y'all, this is the wave trader account, to where I'm only showing the trades from the wave trader. But I have another account where I actually take all of the trades, and that's usually like the first two videos I was showing y'all that account, but I'm showing y'all the wave trader because I want to show y'all kind of what the wave trader did today. So, and I should show it when it's winning, but it's all good. So I took a sell on my other account at 9:30. I took a sell at the close of this candle. I was in drawdown for about 48 points, but this drawdown literally lasted for about 5 seconds. You feel me? It wasn't even a real drawdown. Like, it literally lasted about 5 seconds, and I didn't notice it. The broker kind of glitched a little bit. It froze just a little bit, so I really didn't notice it at all. But I was in drawdown at first, and my take profit for this sell, my first take profit for the sell was crazy. My first take profit for the sell was right here. I can't make this stuff up, son. My first take profit for the sell was literally this yellow line, son. All right, that was the first take profit. That's where I take profit and I move my stop loss to break even. Got into the sell. It went 1 point or about 3 points away from my take profit. 3 points away. And then it changed directions. 3 points away from my take profit, and it changed directions, son. That right there that's one reason why I'm like, dang, like that's one reason why I'm a little bit blown, okay? So, got into a sell right there. I ended up getting into another sell after I actually got into another sell right here. Like at this level right here. Got into another sell around somewhere around here just because I'm like, oh yeah, I'm in profit. Let me add to it. Same thing happened. I was in profit for about 30 points for a little bit, a couple minutes, 4 minutes, and then shit reversed. Okay. So for my main account, that's what happened for my main account. Those are the only trades that I took on my main account. That pissed me off. And I mean, there's nothing I could do about that. Alright, so that was the first loss that I took on that account. Okay, now for the wave trader account, for what y'all see right here, I was bearish. You feel me? I was bearish. The wave trader was bullish. Okay, so at 9:30, the wave trader took a buy. And how I told y'all, I was in drawdown for like 5 seconds. Soon as the market opened, the wave trader hit take profit 1 immediately. You feel me? We hit take profit 1 immediately. Everybody in the group was happy. Everybody in the group was like, yeah, you know, shout out to the wave trader. Today's a VIP day. So VIP days are like 90% accurate. We win about 90% of the time. So we call them VIP days. So yeah, the first trade hit take profit 1, moved our stop loss to break even. Everybody in the chat, we happy, we all making bread or whatever. It came back down, took us out at break even. I'm like, all right, cool. Price continued to drop. The wave trader got into another buy. Okay, now this week, I'm not gonna lie, this week the buy has been taking like 2 trades every day this week. It doesn't usually do that, but I mean, it's just based off of the algorithm. And a lot of times this week, it's like the first trade hits take profit, and then the second trade hits stop loss. Or the first trade hits stop loss, then the second trade hit take profit. Well, actually, that wasn't every day this week, but it happened a couple times. And then the bot took another buy right here. My stop loss is literally right here, son. You can see it already marked out. My stop loss is literally right here. Now, if you have the wave trader, it all depends on what you put as your stop loss. So I tell everybody it's two different things that you could use. You can either use a 50-point stop loss. 50 points is like the minimum stop loss that I would really ever use, or a 100-point stop loss. And a 100-point stop loss is the max stop loss that I would ever use. So for me, I be using like a 70-point stop loss, just because there's been a lot of times where I use 50 and then it kind of just tapped me out at 50. And so I'm like, man, let me just increase it just a little bit. And yeah, so I'll be using 70 points. Price came down. We was in drawdown as soon as this whole trade, this second trade, the whole trade was in drawdown. Came down, took me out, bro. Literally right at my stop loss. You see how it went straight to my stop loss? Then it reversed. Then it went up in the direction that we wanted it to go in the freaking first place, son. We wanted it to go up, or the wave trader wanted it to go up this entire time. And she took us out, and then she went up. Alright, so that was the third trade, or that was 1, 2. That was the second trade for the wave trader. So took L's on this account, and I took L's on my other account. Now, while this was happening, I was still in the sell, and I was telling everybody, like, yeah, man, it's giving us, I was still in the sell on my other account. And I was like, yeah, it's giving us a little bit of bullish action, too, because I know that this is yesterday's high. First off, we had this liquidity right here. We had this liquidity right. 5 minutes. First off, we had this liquidity right here, which I was pretty certain that price was gonna come take that out. And then we had yesterday's high. I was pretty sure that price was gonna come down and at least touch yesterday's high. Now I didn't know what was gonna happen after it got to yesterday's high, but now we see what the hell happened after it got there, because it went there, hit yesterday's high, took us out of our buys, then it went up. At this candle right here, on this candle right here, I called out a buy. For everybody on the live, I literally said, yo, it's about to go up. It's giving us a boss buy. The boss buy is one of the strategies that we use inside of our university. Actually, let me show y'all. This is off topic. This is off track. But yesterday, we called out a boss buy right here. This was yesterday. And I think I explained this in yesterday's video. We called out a boss buy right here. And you see how that turned out. You feel me? That was a great buy. Did I get into it? No. Why didn't I get into it? Because I don't like to take too many trades, man. I take 1 or 2 trades a day, and after that, I'm kind of just done. And then yesterday, I had already made bread, so I was just pretty much done. Today, I don't usually even take the boss strategy trades, and I had already lost, and I was just over it. But I still be calling it out on live, like when I see it. So we had that boss buy right here. It gave us about 120 points, 130 points of profit. It came back down. If you had your stop loss at break even, it either would have took you out at break even, or it kind of low-key gave you another opportunity to get in. And then, I mean, we see where price is at right now. So for everybody who did take that buy, unless you move your stop loss to break even, they are still in profit for about 160 points. And I low-key just been watching it, and my whole mood is low-key just blown for real. Not because my whole mood is blown because I just don't like losing. I really don't. And I understand that losing is a part of it. You feel me? Losses come with it. And honestly, losses are nothing wrong with losses. But the fact that I be doing it on live, and then like when I do lose on live, like I get a lot of positive reinforcement. I get a lot of positive feedback. But when I do lose, bro, and I see the niggas in the comments and they be laughing, I don't understand what's wrong with people, son. Like, these niggas is just lame. Like, I don't understand. Even like when I first got on live, like it's always other forex traders too. Like, they're just lame, and that's how you know that they're losers in every aspect of life. Like, they're losers in real life. They're losers in trading. They are really the unprofitable ones, because they come to me like, oh yeah, you be losing all, you're unprofitable, blah blah blah. Like, where's your car at? And I told them, like, I got 2 cars. Then they said, oh, well, you probably got this car. And I'm like, actually, no, I got a better version of it. And then they ain't had nothing to say after that. You feel me? But it's like, niggas is just lame. And it's always other Forex traders, man. And I don't know, man. I don't know why the Forex world is full of weirdos and just losers. And the fact that they're negative, that means that their mentality is negative, so their life is negative, their bank account negative, their trading account is negative. This is negative all around. But yeah, just seeing that, it really, it don't make me mad. It's like, bro, what's wrong with these niggas? Like, but yeah, that just blew me. You feel me? Because when I did lose, seeing people laughing in the comments, I'm like, oh my god, here we go. Here we go with all these people, man. Now I got to deal with this. And then I mean, just the way the market even looking right now, like I don't even like the way this looks. It's 10:52 right now, and the market has only moved 297 points. On average, it moves 1,000 points. It literally has not done anything today. Now I don't know. Well, today's Thursday, so it's not gonna be like non-farm or not non-farm. Meeting minutes usually happens on Wednesdays. And of course, it's still got a long time before the day is over with. It could definitely still end up coming all the way up here, which probably will happen after this candle close. I low-key want to get into a buy. I'm not going to though. Sheesh, I really do want to. I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, man, that's how I lost money today. Trading US 30. Losses are a part of the game, you feel me? I'm not upset that I lost. I don't like losing. Definitely don't like losing. I'm just blown. I'm blown at the fact that the sales that I took literally went 1.3 points away from my take profit, and then it reversed. And then the buys that I took went right to my stop loss, took me out, and then went the other way. That's what I'm blown about. Like, damn, son. But that right there, I said this on live. That is not a coincidence. You feel me? The levels that I trade with, the reason why I have my stop loss at that level, the reason why I have my take profit at that exact level, my take profit one at that exact level, is because this is just something that, bro, I see it happen every single day. I literally see it happen every single day. And you see, like, even today, bro, it was no different. It literally went exactly to my stop, to my take profit. Literally. It went 1 to 3 points away from my take profit, then it reversed. Like, I was about to say, you can't be mad at that. I can't be mad because I am a little bit blown about it. But it's like, it's too close, son. That shit is not a coincidence. It's really not, And then, even a stop loss. Like, it went right to my stop loss, literally. And this is not, that stop loss isn't a liquidity level. Like, this is not, it's not liquidity. It's not like I put my stop loss at this low right here. Like, nah, son. I had my stop loss a little bit lower than it, and it literally went straight to it. And then it went up. But it's all good. You feel me? We're going to live to fight another day. I am going to be live again tomorrow because, I'll do this every day. You feel me? This is another reason why I tell everybody in my group, when you make money, you have to withdraw some of that money, son. And there she goes. She breaking up, making new highs. Oh, it's not new highs yet, but she about to make new highs. She at the high. It's at 297 still, but it's literally at the high of the day. The high of the day is 035, and it's at 035. Oh, damn, y'all can't even see it. My bad. It's at the high of the day. It's making a new high. But yeah, man, it's all good. But when y'all making money, man, you gotta withdraw some of that money, regardless of if it's $5, $10. Like, take some of it, at least 10% of your profit. If you having a winning day, you gotta take some of that bread, bro. I'm telling you, because it's not real until you withdraw it. It is not real until it hits your bank account, not your trading account, your bank account. All right. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope y'all made some money, because I definitely did not. And when I lose, bro, I just be want to go to sleep. I really just want to go to sleep. I just want to lay down right now, son. For real. Then I got Shorty texting me some other stuff right now, like. What? Yeah, let me get off here, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I put in the universe, but it's a lot of stuff happening, son. I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. That's the end of it, man. Stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets. If you want to learn how to trade, I do have the free course. Link is down below. If you want to use the Wave Trader, you can use it for free for 3 days. Link is down below. If you want to get our university and learn the strategies, shout out to everybody who got that buy. My bad. Everybody who took that buy signal though, that boss buy right here, you will profit, bro. That's 200 points of profit that you just made. So, I mean, shout out to that. You know what I mean? And it's making a new high. The level is going up. It done hit 300 points for the day. So yeah, we did call out one winner. I just didn't take it. I'm just watching it happen. All right, but yeah, that's it, man. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, cause waves don't die. Peace.